That's the combination we're working on this week, but if you notice, the footwork was what broke up the combination. So we got in with a 1-2, we stepped back, and then we got back in with a right, left, right, or 2-5-2 or 2-3-2. Once again, with me with the numbers, you understand that I prefer to say hands than numbers because you can change the shot according to what your opponent's doing. So once again, this is how we're using the heavy bag to get better at footwork, and the combination is 1-2, step back, 2-3-2 or 2-5-2. So I'll show you what it looks like again. You can run that combination around the bag if you want to. Move around on the bag, make sure that you're using your feet, because that's what is the emphasis. Well, that's what the emphasis is on the heavy bag, using your feet. Obviously not getting into the combination yet, but once we decide to, if I miss on those first 2 punches, that's fine. I'm still only punching in between my frame. But that's the combination we're working on the heavy bag. It's gonna be a 1-2, out. That's what you're working on, that's the emphasis today. You understand that we obviously have our warm-up, we obviously have our cool down, and we have our emphasis on the heavy bag. If you don't have access to a heavy bag, you can do a shadow boxing as well. Beautiful thing about boxing, that's all you need. But that's what we're doing on the heavy bag today, and that's how we're using it to get better at our footwork.